Hello there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make the most of Bitform's filtering feature. Start by navigating to your form and then head over to the Responses section. Click on the plus icon to create a new filter. Provide a name for your filter, and then specify a condition. In my example, I'm using first name is not empty. Click on the Save button to store the filter. Now, go ahead and apply the filter. Next, we'll explore how to use an email filter. And after that, we'll dive into setting up a filter based on the date of birth. Remember, you have the option to edit the filter settings. You can also incorporate multiple conditions within a single filter. You can also delete filters. Thank you for watching this video.